Oh my god. Clip broken. Right before recording. How to record now? What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Darren, and today I try to talk like Uncle Roger. Uncle Darren just come out, just born. Uncle Roger wear orange shirt. Uncle Darren wear red shirt. On today's episode, very special. Uncle Darren received this. This is called Dorylicious. Before Uncle Darren start, Uncle Darren must give thanks. But if you hungry, use the timestamp below to skip straight to it. Uncle Darren already prepare, anticipate ungrateful people like you. Uncle Darren have good friends at Health Metrics. What is Health Metrics?
If you work for a company, tell your boss subscribe to Health Metrics and me also. After subscribe, you can fall sick all you want. Go clean it. No need bring money. Only bring your IC. If you are boss, even better. You get to see all your employee sick bill. Give you calculate your total cost. Save money. Give you data. Don't need any promo code. Uncle Darren no promo code. Tell them Uncle Darren name. Confirm can give you good price.
Okay, all you hungry people out there, it's finally time to start eating. Still got so much. Uncle Darren genuinely amazing. First of all, Uncle Darren must say, crunchy level 11 out of 10. Super amazing, really crunchy. This is cheesy egg, cheesy salted egg. Can taste the salted egg, more salty than you. Cheese can taste, salted egg can taste. Not spicy. Uncle Darren is losing Uncle Darren's mind. Uncle Darren is blown away. All the other salted egg, fish skin. No. This most crunchy thing that Uncle Darren has ever eaten. This cannot be. What is this made of? Fish skin, salted egg, cheese powder, chili powder, curry powder. A bit of curry. Uncle Darren liked this very much. Wait a minute. Where is MSG? How can there be no MSG? MSG is the best thing ever. MSG is quote unquote Uncle Roger. Salt on crack. One more. Just one more. Oh my god! Do you see how big this piece is? See how big this piece is? Uncle Darren is shooked. Oh my god. Uncle Darren can cry. This must be what they call heaven on earth. Uncle Darren cannot stop crunching, eating, keep one the next one. But Uncle Darren think cannot eat too much. Throat become pain. This deserves a thumbs up. Crunchiness is superb. So crunchy there is no piece that is no crunchy. Taste is very good. Not too salty, not too cheesy. Just nice. Just one thing. No MSG. Uncle Darren don't know what to do, what to say. So Uncle Darren will end the video here. Christmas is coming. Need to preserve throat for Christmas turkey. Thank you very much and wish all of you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you all in the next video. Bye bye. Uncle Darren received this. Uncle Darren receive